In this problem, we're asked to determine the formula weight of a gas. The mass of the gas is given in the problem, so all we need to do is to find a way to determine how many moles of the gas there is. And for that, we simply use the ideal gas law. The ideal gas law, PV is equal to nRT, and we're going to solve for n. To solve for n, we divide each side by RT, so we have n is going to be equal to PV divided by RT. We go up to the statement of the question to get our values. We have volume, pressure, and temperature. However, since this is an ideal gas law question, we want to make sure we express our temperature in Kelvin. We substitute in our values. We can check our units. We see atmospheres cancels, liters cancel, moles survives, and finally the units of Kelvin cancels. So we've set up our problem correctly. We can get a numerical value for the number of moles of gas. So once we have moles, we can put it into the definition of formula weight, which is mass divided by moles, and get our final answer. There's 3 sig figs justified, and we're done.